It's a snowstorm blizzard in Canada and 3 people at work, a male and 2 females, doing the hard work of removing the snow. See how we remove the snow here with shovels. It's getting hard. I can see they are struggling. He's walking. Oh my God, what a blizzard. What a blizzard. This is how you use a snowblower when it's a blizzard or a storm. 2 females shoveling here, doing some hard work, and the gentleman helping with the blower. It's a big blizzard, big snowstorm in Toronto, Canada, and you can see snow, snow, snow everywhere. Oh, snow ne kar diti glow. Oh, snow ne kar diti glow. Oh, sare hath chak lo baji. Oh, baji. Mahesh cannot hear my voice.